What's up guys, welcome to another episode. I hope you're doing okay. This week I'm going to teach you how to edit literally 10 times faster in Adobe Premiere Pro with a really simple and easy technique. There's nothing more frustrating than a slow computer. Nobody enjoys that. Cameras can produce 4K, 6K, even 8K nowadays, but the problem is these bigger file sizes will go really heavy on your machine even if you have a super fast one. The good news is that there's a super easy function in Adobe Premiere Pro that allows you to replay and edit literally 10 times faster. It's called Proxies. I'm going to outline what it is and how to do that in this video in only 2 minutes. I got a sample clip on my computer and it is a 6K raw clip that I shot on a Blackmagic. This is how it looks like without color, and essentially it's like super hard to play those, and it replays only with issues and it sucks. But there is a super easy trick, and the technique we're going to be using is called a proxy. A proxy is basically a low resolution replacement footage that is generated only for the purpose of replaying and editing. And all we got to do is we right click in the media browser right here, select proxy, create proxies. Then it asks us for the folder and what type of file we want. I usually leave that as it is because the format works quite well. I click OK, and basically what happens is it's going to open up Media Encoder, and that basically makes a low resolution file, as you can see here, which is super cool. In our original folder we got the raw clips, which are obviously like really large, plus these proxy clips, which are a lot smaller. One last step, all you gotta do is enable the proxies, and basically you have to hit that button. So if you can't find this little symbol right here, no problem, just click that little plus button right here and then add that, drag and drop that here to the quick menu, and that is it. And now Premiere is basically going to play the small files, which are super smooth and super nice, and you can basically edit 10 times faster already, which is super cool. If you hate slow computers like me and that little trick saved you from suicide, please leave a like and a comment and share it with a friend who would also benefit from this. By the way, I'm Eric, and you might notice an accent because I'm from Germany, and on this channel we talk everything photo and video. So if you're into that kind of thing, feel free to subscribe to catch up with these topics. And I'll see you on my next video. I hope you have a good day.